This is group 3, and we will be talking about the city of Machu Picchu.
The city of Machu Picchu was a holy ground for religion. It was intended as a place where the Incan emperor and family could host feasts, perform religious ceremonies, and administer affairs of empire, while also establishing a claim to land that would be owned by his lineage after his death. Um,
So there are two parts to the Machu Picchu. There's the observatory and the Intihuatana stone. Both are made of stone, of course. The observatory is the temple of the sun, and Intihuatana means the hitching post of the sun. And the Intihuatana is a curved boulder located in the ritual site west of the main plaza. So the observatory calculates the June solstice and is made of two main parts: an upper curved stone enclosure with windows, and a cave beneath it with masonry. There are some modifications made to the windows which help embody cosmological thought and facilitated astrological observations. Um, so, with the observatory, the cave refers to the underworld in the Inca mythologies, and the Intihuatana is said to have an Inca relationship with the earth. So, there's an expression of supernatural forces inhabiting the landscape of the Intihuatana. So, the curved boulders that the Intihuatana is made of is found throughout the Inca Empire. So the observatory just calculates the solstice of June and constellations around the area, and the Intihuatana just tracks the passage of the sun and determines religious events.
The piece I will be speaking about is the Alta-Kapu tunic. It has a time period between 1450 to 1540 CE. This tunic is made out of dyed camelid wool warp over a cotton weft. A takapu is a square geometric pattern that makes up the tunic. The tunic symbolizes the power of an Inca ruler, and these tunics are only worn by people of high rank. One of the patterns within the tunic is a checkered pattern that represents military powder. This tunic is traditionally weaved in a single piece because the Incas believed that once the cloth was cut, it would destroy the existence of the spirit. Just 1 minute. Yes. Is it going?
This piece is called Angel with Arquebus. Time period was 200 through 170 CE, found by Europeans. The form is painted by oil on the canvas, military poses, holding an arquebus. An arquebus is called a gun. Christian missionary orders presentary sought to terminate the practice of Hispanic. 3. Unexpected elements that coexist in the master of Calamares painting, pre-Hispanic religions, and enforced Catholicism. Carrying angels were produced from late 17th century. Christian missionary orders presentary sought to terminate the practice of pre-Hispanic religions and enforce Catholicism.